Hi viewers, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss first and second problems in exercise 1.1 in real numbers of 10th class mathematics. Right? Yes, before doing these problems, viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's do the problems. Yeah. See, this is the first question in exercise 1.1. Use Euclid's division algorithm, find the HCF of 900 and 270, 196 and 38,220, 1651 and 2032. So, by the division algorithm, we have to find the HCF of these numbers. Let us find one by one. Yeah. So, first one let us take. What has given 900 and 270. Right. How can you do using division algorithm? We know very well about that Euclid's division lemma. A is equal to B cube plus R. Right. A is equal to B cube plus R. We know very well about that. Yes, already we have discussed it in the earlier video. Yeah. So, using of this, we have to find the HCF of these two numbers. Right. So, first, when 900 is divided with 270. So, this is the biggest number, no? That's why this is divided with the next smallest number 270. The remainder is how much? How many times get cancelled? 270, 900 is 27 3s are 81 actually. So 273 is 810. 900 minus 810 will be 9. So remainder is 90. So how can you write this one? Yes, 900 is equal to 270 into 3 plus 273 is 810 plus remainder is 90. So it is of the form A is equal to B cube plus R. We have got or not? Yes, exactly. Yes, now what we have to do? This one here B cube plus R is there, no? So 270 we have to consider as A. The remainder 90 should be considered as B. Again 270 should be divided with 90. Yes, sir. Now consider division of 270 with the remainder 90 and apply division lemma. We get here A is equal to B cube plus R, no? 270 is equal to. So 90 how many times get cancelled in 270? 93 is it's exactly 370. So 93 is 270 plus remainder is 0. Now we have got 0 as the remainder. No? So the divisor is 90 here. The divisor is 90. We have got 0 as the remainder. Now 90 is the HCF of 900 and 270. Understood clearly? Yes. Here remainder has become 0. Remainder has become 0. So our procedure stopped. And divisor is 90. Therefore HCF of 900 and 270 is 90. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Now second one, 196 and 38,220. Yes, so this is the biggest number and this is the smallest number, no? So this is we have to take an as A and this is B. Right, so 38,220 is divided with 196, then remainder is how much? Yes, first now roughly do 38,220 with 196. How many times get cancelled? See, 196 2s will exceed to 382. So actually 196 ones are 196. So that is 12 minus 6 is 6. Here 7 will be there. 7 minus 17 minus 8. 9 is 8. 1. So 2 put down. So 196. 10s are 1960. Yes, 9 times. 9 times get cancelled now. 9 6 are 54. 5 is there. 9 9s are 81. 86 8. 9 1s are 9. 17. 17 64. So this is say 12 minus 4 is 8. Next this will be 9. So now here there is no remainder. So 0 is there. So 196 how many times? 5 times. 19 5s are 85. 19 5s are 95. 30. Yes. 5 exactly cancel 980. So 0 has come. Here 0 has come as remainder. So remainder is 0. So remainder is 0. So that's why directly the HCF of 196 and 38,220 is 196 only. Yes. So that only write down. So 38220 is equal to 196 into how many times get cancelled? 195 and plus 0 is the remainder. So this is in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. Remainder has come 0, no? So that only write down. Now here remainder has become 0. So our procedure stops. Our procedure stops. So now divisor is 196 only. 196. Therefore HCF of 196 and 38,220 is 196 only. Is it clear? Yes, note it down. Okay, third question. 1651 and 2032. 2032, HCF of these two numbers, let us find. Yeah, so this is the smallest one, this is the biggest one, no? So yeah, this is A is 2032 and B is 1651. Yes. When 2032 is divided with 1651, then remainder is how much? Yes, here 2032. In 2032, 1651, how many times get cancelled? One time get cancelled. So 2032 minus 1651. 2032 minus 1651. How much remainder? 183, right? Yes, 381. So how can you write this one? 2032 is equal to 1651 into 1 plus remainder 381. Now this is the form of A is equal to BQ plus R, right? Now we should consider 1651 as A and 381 as B, right? Yes, because so we should divide 1651 with 381. Yes. Now consider 1651 is divided with remainder 381 and apply division lemma, we get, see, 1651 is equal to 381 into how many times get cancelled? 3 5s are 15. It maybe exceeds 4 times. Yes, 4 times how much? See, 381 4s are how much? 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 3 4 3s are 12, 15 24. So 1651 minus 1524, 7 2 1. 127 is the remainder. So plus 127 is the remainder. Understood clearly? Yes, here 1651 is equal to 381 into 4 plus 127. Here this is again A is equal to BQ plus R. Again what we have to do here is exactly 381 should be divided with 127. Right? Here now again 381 is divided with 127 and apply division lemma, we get, see, 381 is equal to how many times? 127 into how many times get cancelled? 12 3s are 36 and 7 3s are 21. 360 plus 21 381. So 3 times plus remainder is 0. So 381 is equal to 127 into 3 plus remainder has 0. So here remainder we have got 0 only, no? So that's why our procedure will be stop or not? Yes, exactly, will stops. Now HCF is 127. Why? Because this is the divisor, no? This is the divisor. We have got 0. Right? Yes. Here remainder has become 0. Our procedure stops. Here divisor is how much? 127. Therefore HCF of 1651 and 2032 is how much? 127. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, second question. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. See, use Euclid's division lemma to show that any positive odd integer of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So actually, what is the general form of the even number? General form of the odd number? Yes, general form of the even number is 2n, right? General form of the even is 2n, right? So odd is, yes, 2n plus 1. 2n plus, if any number of the form 2n, then the number will be even number. So any number of the form 2n plus 1, that is odd number, right? So we have to show that if any odd positive integer of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 by using Euclid's division lemma. Yes, we have solution C. Euclid's division lemma is what? Actually, A is equal to BQ plus R, right? A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is in between 0 is less than or equal to, R is less than or equal less than B only. 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b only. Right. So here all the numbers have given here 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5, right? So here a is any positive integer. A is, let a be any positive odd integer and here every number is 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5. These are in the form of b cube plus r, right? So then b is equal to how much we have to take? And b is equal to 6, right? b cube plus 1, b cube plus 3, b cube plus 5. Right. Now r how much actually? B is equal to 6 we have got. Here r should be less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to r is less than b, which means here 0 is less than or equal to r is less than 6 only, which means that implies r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we should take. R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5 only, up to 5 only we should take, right? So we have to take the Euclid's division lemma a is equal to b cube plus r, and we should substitute r values in this one, right? Yes. Here first case 1, let us take r is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. So then a is equal to b cube plus r only, na? Yes, that is equal to b means a 6 cube plus r is 0. R is 0. So now this can be written as that is equal to 6 cube plus 0 means 6 cube only. This is 3 into 2 into 3 cube only, na? 2 3s are 6 cube. 2 into 3 cube. Now it is in the form of 2n. So it is not an odd integer, it is even. Right? It is 2n. So it is of the form even. It is even. Right? In the case 2. Let us take r is equal to 1. Let us take a is equal to b cube plus r only, no? So that is equal to b means 6 cube plus 1. B 6 cube plus 1. This also can be written as 2 into 3 cube plus 1, right? Yes. This is 2 cube. Here in the place of 3 cube, let us take any integer n, that is equal to 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. So since n is equal to 3q, let us take. So 2n plus 1 is the form of odd integer. It is in the form of odd. So this is odd only. Right? This is odd. Next, in the same way, case 3. Yes, r is equal to how much? 0 have completed, 1 completed, 2. R is equal to 2. Right. So a is equal to b cube plus r. So that is equal to b cube is 6 cube plus r is 2. Right. So that is equal to 6 cube means in this 2, what is the common one? 2 is the common one. This is 3 cube plus 1. 2 3s are 6 cube plus 2 1s are 2. So now again it is in the form of 2n. Since n is equal to 3 cube plus 1, we have to take. So 2n means it is even. It is even. Next, case 4. Case 4, r is equal to 2 completed, no? 3 let us take. Yes, a is equal to b cube plus r. That is equal to b is 6 cube plus r is 3. R is 3. So here we should not take 3 as common. We should not take 3 as common. Here 3 means not is in the form of 2n or 2n plus 1. If you do as 3 as common, this will be 2 cube plus 1. So it is not in the form of 2n or 2n plus 1. So that's why we should not take like this. We have to write this 6q plus 3 means 2 plus 1, right? 3 is 2 plus 1 only, na? Yes. So now in these both, take a 2 as common. 2 means this is 3q plus 1 plus 1, isn't it? 2 into 3q plus 1 plus 1. Here this will be 2n plus 1, isn't it? This will be 3q plus 1 taken as n, any positive integer, since n is equal to 3q plus 1. Now 2n plus 1 is odd or not? Yes, exactly, odd. Understood clearly? Yes. In the same way, here 3 completed, 4 and 5 is there. Yes, case 5. Case 5, r is equal to, let us take 4. So a is equal to bq plus r. So that is equal to 6q plus 4. 6q plus 4. In these both, what is the common? Yes, 2 is the common. So this is 3q plus 2. It is in the form of 2n only, na? So 2n means, yes, exactly, even. So 2n is even. Next, case 5. Case 6. Final one. Here 4 were completed. Next, r is equal to 5 we have to take. So a is equal to bq plus r, that is equal to 6q plus 5. So again, how can you write this one? Yes, exactly. So that is 6q plus 4 plus 1, isn't it? So in these both, what is the common? 2 is the common thing. Common one. Yes, this is 3q plus 2 plus 1. So this one 3q plus 2 taken as 2 as n. So 2n plus 1. Understood? N is equal to 3q plus 2. N is any positive integer. So this is odd. So what are odds and what are evens? Let us see. Right? Yeah. See here. If you take r is equal to 0, in case 1, this is even. Case 1, r is equal to 0. 6q is even. Next here, 6q plus 1. 6q plus 1, this is odd. 6q plus 1 is odd. Next, 6q plus 2. 6q plus 2 is even. Next, 6q plus 3 is odd. 6q plus 4 is even. Next, 6q plus 5 is odd. So from this we can conclude that therefore the numbers of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 are odd integers. Okay, write down. Therefore any positive odd integer is, therefore any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.